Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn fast everything step by step. Start by choosing one clear goal and set a focused outcome for each session. Prioritize high-impact skills that move you closer to larger objectives. Limit distractions and chunk material into manageable pieces to reduce friction. Track progress daily and adjust techniques based on what improves retention and performance steadily. Begin with active recall by testing yourself frequently instead of rereading notes every time. Space study sessions with increasing intervals to leverage memory consolidation and reduce forgetting. Combine practice tests with micro-teaching sessions where you explain ideas aloud or to someone else. Vary resources and practice contexts to build flexible knowledge that transfers better to real tasks and projects for immediate application. Turn study into action by building tiny, real projects that force you to use new skills immediately. Use interleaving to practice different topics in one session to improve adaptability and problem solving. Keep sessions short but frequent, and collect direct feedback so you can correct mistakes quickly. Reflect weekly on what worked and what failed, then tweak your schedule and methods to keep improving efficiency and confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.